Welcome back to Adri's Homestead Life. Today we are in a garden. We are going to harvest the corn on the cob, some carrots and the rest of the main crop potatoes. I've been watching this corn like a hawk and the squirrel had it. So they had a few. I have decided to pick the ones that were ready before he had it all, because soon they've got a taste of it that will go within few days. Hi Toffee! So the ears are actually beautiful considering how small these plants are. Really good. I think I'm going to give some cabbage to this big boy. Come on, boysy. Come on, my boysy. Well, actually, it might have been a mouse. Not sure. Something had it anyways. Such a beautiful corn on the cob. Look. That will go to the animals now. This small plant has got, these are the Swift F1, and they've got 2 corn on the cobs on each plant. So we're harvesting the first one and hopefully we can have another second crop. So I just twist it out. I know it's ready because the silk turned brown and dried. You see? I don't think so I have enough to preserve, but for fresh eating and maybe make something out of it will be plenty. But I've decided to have all now, otherwise the rodents will have it. That's a nice corn harvest. Show you this huge 10 to 12 feet sunflowers. Wow. They're massive. So these corn on the cobs are about 5'2" and they are easily 10 feet, if not bigger. I wasn't planning to dig this carrot up today, but again what I've noticed, munching. So the rodents found it and they would happily demolish it in the upcoming weeks. So I've decided to dig it up. I've not thinned them out because thinning out carrot, the smell would attract the carrot root fly. And I've not covered this up really this year. So they are a bit forky. So let's see how we do. The ones that had enough space to grow, they are beautiful. And this is the Nantes 5 carrot. It's gorgeous. Right. Now we need to think of recipes on how to store and preserve carrots. The ones what split or got damaged will go to the compost or to the animals. We got a very good, looks like we're going to have a very good parsnip harvest as well. I don't really want to harvest all of these carrots today. But yes, something is munching on it. I did to dig up about half of that carrot. Let's see what we've got. I'm gonna put them from this box to the wheelbarrow. And just go through it, just a little bit, clean it. It's a little bit wet, but we're going to process this, most of it. We'll leave some to in storage, but probably will be processing most of this. anything what is too small or too forky. I'll go to the animals. The goats love carrot. It's a beautiful day we're going to have. I think the summer is back. First week in September is gonna looking gorgeous. Toffee is asking for more food. I'll give him carrot if he comes over. And we're gonna dig up the potatoes next. This carrot will be amazing in chicken broth, stews, carrot soup, carrot puree, just on roast dinner, roasted carrot for Christmas, honey glazed roasted carrot. Delicious. Probably with freeze dry some can. Here he comes, he's coming. Let's give him some carrot. Can you see him? Sun is shining bright. Come on, Boise! You want carrot? You want carrot? Oh, I see back. Wonderful day. Gorgeous. We're gonna have a very busy day today. I've planned so much. I've already started the freeze dryer. We are freeze drying those huge courgette slash marrow what we've harvested not long ago. I've used my new machine to grate it, and so that's already in a freeze dryer. I wasn't in my plan doing this job what I'm doing now, but every morning I just love coming out with a cup of coffee and just walk through my garden making plans what I'm gonna do on that day, or just looking around because I really enjoy it. And that's when I've noticed that corn's been munched on, so I thought that have to be harvested, and then I've noticed the carrot's been munched on, so I thought I'm gonna have to do that as my part today's chore, because otherwise we're just gonna lose it. So while I'm here, they probably tried my potato as well, the rodents. So I've decided, while it's not too hot, still quite early in the morning, I thought we might as well, you know, just dig up those. I think I've got four rows left of the main crop potatoes, and then I'm probably going to make cheese today. We've got about 10-11 liters of milk. I'll probably make Monterey Jack cheese, and I need to process 20 kilo of tomato, so we're making tomato juice and what was it, basic tomato sauce. So yeah, I'll show you how much carrot we've got. So we've ended up having this much, like a half wheelbarrow full of carrot we need to process. I am going to harvest Heidi Red and Sapo Axona, 2 rows each. But before we're gonna harvest the potatoes, I need to weed here first, because this is so overgrown. Tansy, dill, mullein. All sorts nettle. That's gonna be a biggest job, I think. Right, I've just weeded the 2 rows. It took me about 20 minutes. Let's start digging up the potatoes. Let's see how Heidi did. It's a new potato variety for me, so I don't know what to expect. It's very dry. Very dry, the soil. And I couldn't find my fork. I might have to use a spade. A lot of tiny ones. Nice and red color. It's warming up now, the weather. It's a lot. It's more on a smaller side. I'm already thinking what we can put in here next. Probably I'm gonna put a layer of my homemade compost. You can put some fall and winter crop out. Right. I think that's it. So we've got this much from the first one. This much right here. Okay. Shovel it in here. And let's do the next one. So lots and lots of tiny weenie. Doesn't look like it's gonna be that good than the first 2 row what we had a couple of weeks ago. But that's why I like trying new varieties. Just Don't know which one's gonna do good for you. We don't try it, we don't know. I'm gonna have to use the fork, spade again. That didn't have much at all. No. Okay. Hello, Sandy. You okay? You okay, my sweetie? Hello, Lucy Bear. Been busy? Yeah? Been busy digging? Hmm? What you been doing there? You soaked. How's Mommy digging here? Oh dear. Tiny. Heidi, Heidi. It looks beautiful. Beautiful pink skin. It all depends on the flavor, Heidi. I'm gonna grow you again next year. Absolutely loads. Small. Oh, it's getting warm. He's just digging there now. Thanks, baby. Dig there. Good job. Keep digging. Good job. Maybe it was too compacted. I don't know. Hmm. I don't know. Hmm. Bless you. Right. I think this row is done. That's it. This wasn't much. Wasn't much at all here. Better than nothing, but no, it's not a lot. So I've just finished digging up the two Heidi red, and it gave me just about, it's heavy, a basket full. They're on a medium to small size potatoes for me. And I just left those tiny ones because it's just too tiny. Right, now I've got the Sapo Axona. I can just see a rodent damage. So I think we really need to dig this up. loads been now. This beautiful one has just been munched on, and actually that's fresh munching. That must have happened this morning. So what I have noticed, the Heidi actually died back completely when the Sapoaxona is still got such a lovely foliage actually. So I'm hoping that this is gonna be a better one. Let's see. Whoa! Can you see that? Now we're talking. We're back on the potato harvest. Wow! Yes! Sapo. Whoa! Now we're talking. This is gonna be good. Wow. Okay. I've got my wheelbarrow in here. I think we might fill that up. I love it. Sapoaxona. I can already say that they might be on my list for next year. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yep. That is amazing. Wow. So they've all been in the same bed, and Heidi just didn't do that well. But it's such a pretty color. This is like a pinky color. I don't think so. I had that before though. That's a new one for me as well this year, I think. Wow. This is very exciting what's happening in here. Wow, wow, wow. You know what, sweetie? You tired? You go to the kitchen in a minute. Mommy dig this up and then you go night-night. And I've got kitchen jobs to do next. I'm gonna do canning and making cheese. Mommy baby. Wow, let's see. I'm just gonna have to weed along as well. But this is gonna be a good one. Oops. No way. Right. Okay. Let's do the next one. Wow. These are the chips and jacket potatoes right here. Now I'm already thinking how I'm gonna use all this up. I love the color. I don't think so I've ever grown this colored colored skinned potatoes. No. Oh, Chinese mistake. try to leave this sunflower. Right. It's tansy, it's just not coming up. So hard to pull the tansy up. Hey, these seed everywhere. Right. It's an insect repellent. They say it's good for, you know, put it in by the door or window. You don't want the flies in your house. And it's got medicinal properties as well. That's how I started growing, because I grew that once and then I never had to grow it again because they're just everywhere. They pop up everywhere. Right, let's do the last one. And our potato harvest for the year, it's done. We had a very good Sapo Axona harvest. I'm just gonna put everything to the wheelbarrow now, and we're going to weigh our harvest. I think that's done. So that's how much. We had that pile over there, pile right here, and now in this wheelbarrow. I'm just going to fill this wheelbarrow. And looks like Alan's finished as well. Let's go and have some lunch. Right, let's weigh the Heidi Red main crop. .7 kilogram. Sapo Axona 9.3. Let's make it 10. Take this off for a bit. Put a few on it. It's 10.3. So that's a 10 kilogram. And 5. Right, so we have harvested 23 kilograms of potatoes today. The majority was the Sapo Axona, that was about 15-16 kilogram, and about 7 the Heidi Red. So they are now in the curing in the annex on the floor in some mat for a couple of weeks before we can put them to storage. So that was the last bit of the potato. So the potato harvest is finished for this year. I am very happy that this year's harvest, I think we're gonna have a year we grew a year worth of potato. And now I have to go and deal with this carrot and sweet corn harvest of ours. So yeah, we're gonna go in now and I'm gonna have to deal with the corn and the carrot. I will probably come back in a few weeks and I'll show you how I store all my potatoes. Probably we are going to preserve some. I'm tempting to freeze dry some mashed potato or maybe chips. We can can potatoes, we can even freeze, fresh eat and store. I'm not sure which method, we might do all. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you soon. Bye friends.